Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to answer again the age problem part 2, page 7. Okay, number 5 problem. Alan is 2 more than 3 times older than his daughter Algin. In 15 years, he will be twice as old as his daughter. What are their present ages? So the problem asking for the present age of Alan and Algin. And there is a lot of confusing words that we're going to translate like 2 more than 3 times. And now, who is the X in this problem? So we're going to determine by using representation. Okay, our solution, our representation of let us assume or let x be the present age of Algin, 3x plus 2 be the present age of Alan. Then, and the problem involved future years. So, we're going to consider this. So, age 15 years from now. So, we're going to add this 15 years to their present age. That's why the age of Algin is x plus 15 and the age of Alan is 3x plus 2 plus 15. And we have other relationship stated in the problem. Alan is 2 more than 3 times the older than his daughter. So in this equation, we're going to, at the left side, our equation is 3x plus 2 plus 15 equals 2x plus 15. This 2x plus 15 came from the other relationship. So at the left side is the age of Alan, and the right side is the age of Algin. So after that, we're going to solve now the equation. Our equation is 3x plus 2 plus 15 equals 2, then x plus 15. Then we're going to simplify 3x plus 15, 2 plus 15 equals 17. Then equals, so we're going to apply the distributive property just to remove the parentheses. 2 times x equals 2x and 15 times 2 equals 30. Then simplify again. Before we're going to simplify, we're going to transpose all the variables at the left side of the equation and the constant to the right side. So 3x, then we're going to transpose 2x to the left side, becomes now negative 2x equals 30. Then we're going to transpose the positive 17 to the right side of the equation, becomes now negative 17. And we're going to simplify 3x minus 2x equals x equals 30 minus 17 equals 13. So if we're going to check, the age of Algin is 15 and the age of Alan is 41. It came from 3x plus 2. We're going to substitute 3 times 13 equals 39 plus 2 equals 41. Okay, next problem, number 6. Millen is 2 years older than Jerry. 6 years ago, Jerry's age will be twice Millen's age. How old are they now? So asking for the present age. So our solution is, we have to make first representation. Let x be the present age of Jerry because we do not know the age of Jerry. And Marilyn is already identified 2 years older than Jerry, so that's why Jerry is x. That's why our expression is x plus 2 with the present age of Marilyn. And this problem involved past years, so we're going to consider that 6 years ago. So that's why the age of Jerry, we're going to subtract. And past years, we're going to subtract from the present age of Jerry. Since Jerry is x, so we have to minus 6 years. The age of Millen, x plus 2 minus 6 also. And we have to look for other relationship stated in the problem. Jerry is equals to age will be twice Millen's age. So the age of million, if we're going to minus 2 minus 6 equals negative 4. So that's why our other relationship here is equals to double the difference of x and negative and x and 4. And then our equation, since this age problem comparing the age of Jerry and Melon, so x minus 6 now is the age of Jerry equals to the age of Melon, which is 2 to the difference of x and 4. And after the equation, we have to solve the equation. We have to copy again the equation. X minus 6 equals 2 double the difference of x and 4. Then x minus 6 equals, we are going to use the distributive property. We have to multiply 2 times x equals 2x. Then 2 times negative 4, we have negative 8. And then transpose. The next is we have to transpose all the variable to the left side of the equation and all the constant to the right side of the equation. And now we're going to transpose positive 2x to the left side. It becomes now x minus 2x equals negative 8. We have to bring down, and we have to transpose negative 6 to the right side of the equation. Becomes now positive 6. And after that, we're going to simplify. X minus 2x equals negative x equals negative 8 plus 6 equals negative 2. And then, since we have negative x, we are going to divide it by negative 1 both sides. So the result now, negative x divided by negative 1 equals x. Then x equals negative 2 divided by 1 equals positive 2. If we are going to check, the percentage of zero is 2. The percentage of million is 4. It came from x plus 2 equals 2 plus 2 equals 4. We are now in number 7 problem. Marla is 20 years older than Raul. In 6 years, Marla age will be twice Raul age now. How old are they 6 years from now? If we're going to determine the problem or analyze the problem is asking for the future years. And our solution now is representation. Let x be the present age of Raul, x plus 20 be the present age of Marla, and we have to consider the future years. The future years is 6 years from now. Future years we're going to add to the present age. The age of Raul is x plus 6 because we're going to add to the present age of Raul, the 6 years. Age of Marla is x plus 20 plus 6 equals to x plus 26. So we're going to simplify, or equivalent to x plus 26 now, the age of Marla and the future years. And we have also to consider the other relationship is stated in the problem that Marla age will be twice Raul age. Okay, so our Marla equals to 2, the sum of x and 6. Okay, our equation now is x plus 26 equals 2x plus 6, and we're going to solve it. Becomes x plus 26 plus, we will use the distributive property, 2 times x equals 2x, and 2 times 6 equals 12. Then we're going to transpose the variable to the left side of the equation and the constant to the right side of the equation. Now we're going to transpose 2x to the left side. It becomes now x negative 2x equals, bring down 12, then 26 transpose to the right side of the equation becomes negative 26, and we're going to simplify now. X minus 2x equals negative x, then 12 minus 26 equals negative 24. Then since negative x, we don't have a negative x in our final answer, we're going to divide it by negative 1, both sides. So negative x divided by negative 1 equals to x, and negative 14 divided by negative 1 equals positive 14. Let us check. The age of Raul 6 years from now is 20 because the present age of Raul is 14 plus 6 years, so it becomes 20. The age of Marla 6 years from now is 40, because the present age of Marla is 14 plus 20 equals 34, then plus 6 years equals 40. Okay, we have another problem. Number 8. 2 years ago, Larry was 3 times as old as his sister, Carla. In 5 years, he will be only twice his sister's age. Find the present age. If we're going to analyze the problem asking for the present age of the sisters, Carla and Larry, our solution is start with the representation. We're going to assume that x be the present age of Carla and 3x be the present age of Larry. Okay, and then we have to consider also stated in the problem the past years. The past years stated that 2 years ago. So when we encountered past years, we're going to minus this to the present age of Carla. That's why age of Carla is x minus 2. And age of Larry is 3x minus 2. And there is also another to consider is the future years. When we see future years, 5 years from now, it belongs to future years. So this will be added to the present age of Carla. That's why the age of Carla is x minus 2 plus 5, and we're going to simplify it, becomes x plus 3. Then age of Larry is 3x minus 2 plus 5, so we're going to simplify it, becomes 3x plus 3. Okay, other relationship we have to consider again from the problem stated that Larry is double the age of Carla. So therefore, in our equation, Larry equals 2 times the sum of x plus 3, which is the age of Carla. And our equation now, based on the other relationship, is already stated. So we can have this now, the real equation. Larry is 2 times the sum of x plus 3, and our real equation now is 3x plus 3 equals 2 times the sum of x plus 3. So, okay, to solve the equation, we have to copy the 3x plus 3 equals multiply